Hello and welcome guys. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to install um, uh, a tool to capture screenshots, a tool to capture the screenshots and edit the screenshot at the same time. So for that, inside the Linux we have a tool named ScreenShot, and with the help of ScreenShot we can do multiple things. Let me show you how to install it first, and then we'll guide you how to use it. So sudo apt install ScreenShot. Okay, here we go. So it's asking, do you want to continue? Yes. Let's wait for it. Working. Let's just wait for a few seconds, let the installation to be finished, and then we'll proceed further. And here we go. ScreenShot is already installed, and now we can run it from command line, as well as we can use it from this menu. And here we go, ScreenShot. You can use this one, or you can use the terminal to launch the program. It might take maybe a minute or half on the first run, then it'll be fine. So here you go. So this icon, as you can see, this icon up here, whenever you want to capture any sort of screenshot and you want to highlight something, you want to mention something, you want to write something on the screenshot, or if you want to point an arrow on anything. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna take the screenshot of this area, and I am going to draw a box here that I want to point out that, and the arrow here, let's say I want to blur something. The same I can do that by doing this. If I want to tag something with numbers, अगर मैं numbers के साथ tag करना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये फर्स्ट नंबर पे ऑप्शन है, ये सेकंड पे है, ये थर्ड पे है, तो ये भी मैं कर सकता हूँ. अच्छा, इसके अलावा कुछ और ऑप्शंस भी हैं, यानी कि अगर मैं डायरेक्टली टेक्स्ट लिखना चाह रहा हूँ तो वो भी मैं इसी के थ्रू लिख सकता हूँ, और अगर मैं किसी चीज़ को हाईलाइट करना चाह रहा हूँ तो हाईलाइट का ऑप्शन भी मौजूद है. अच्छा, अगर मैं कलर्स चेंज करने की बात करूँ तो कलर्स भी मैं चेंज कर सकता हूँ, और वो मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, वो मैं ऐसे कर सकता हूँ. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये टूल सेटिंग का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ से आप अपने कलर्स भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे मैं इसके कलर चेंज कराता हूँ. अब मैं ग्रीन करा दिया इसको. हियर वी गो. सो अब जो कुछ भी होगा वो ग्रीन होगा, एज यू कैन सी हेयर. So this is how you can use this tool, the ScreenShot, to capture the screenshots, and you can use the same tool as your editor. You can do multiple things by using the simple tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, like the subscribe channel, and share the videos plus the channel link with your loved ones. Thank you so much.